In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to hide your following list on TikTok and Facebook. Starting with TikTok, all you need to do is to go to your profile here. Next, click on the three icon here. Go to settings and privacy. Now on settings and privacy, click on privacy. Scroll down until you see following list. Click on following list and change it to only you. So now if you want to verify it, you can use another TikTok account to verify it. So I'm just going to click on the following list. And now, as you can see, we have successfully hidden our following list on TikTok. Next, if you want to hide your Facebook page following list, all you need to do is to go to your page. Now go to settings and privacy. Click on settings and scroll down to audience and visibility. Now on audience and visibility, click on followers and public content. Go to who can see your followers on your timeline. Change it to only me. Also click on who can see people, pages and lists you follow. Click on it and change it to only me. So now go back to your page and verify that your following list on Facebook is hidden. So now if you want to verify it, just go to the page and click on followers. Now on followers, move it to following. So now as you can see, we have successfully turned the following list into private. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And do not forget to follow us on Instagram and TikTok. My name is Ebenezer from USA Studio. Thank you for watching this video.